Okay, so this is a really quick video, but it kind of brings in the last two videos that I talked about, revenue streams and income streams. So I thought, okay, so what does that mean, right? I mean, it means what I said, but then how do you apply all of that together? How do we talk about that from an accounting is the language of business standpoint? So what I said, let me just share my screen just to give you the visual of what it means when it comes to income streams and revenue streams. So I'm just pulling up a regular profit and loss statement is where I wanted to go, but I was on the balance sheet. But I'm going to show you a little bit about the balance sheet real quick. So I put my little logo there, okay? And then if you want to change the name, you can say, count your own bag. That's the basis of business for me. Teaching people how to count their own bag. Not become accountants, but count their own bag if they're in business. Understand a financial statement. Understand that this is a profit and loss statement, AKA a income statement from an accounting perspective. So if somebody's talking to you, you understand this language. It's like, oh, you said my income statement. That's essentially my profit and loss statement. Okay, I understand now. So in any case, when we talk about income, right? I talked about income stream and I talked about revenue stream. They pretty much are the same thing. When I think of income, I think of 9 to 5. Although on the profit and loss in the financial system such as this, they are just going to refer to it. They're going to say income on the profit and loss. Revenue and revenue streams to me means business. I guess in my learning of accounting, revenue was just more dominant over income. So we got our income, $10,000 less our cost of goods sold, which are primarily considered direct costs to running the business and generating the income. So we got a gross profit of $9,795. Then we have all of our expenses, $5,200. And then we are left with basically net income. This is what I care about right now. $1,642.46 means that this net income always will flow into your balance sheet. So this is a check balance type of video, right? Or learning, not just video, but learning. And remember, your bag, yeah. Okay, so remember that $1,600. So I'm just gonna collapse this so it's just a little bit more condensed. So there's that $1,642.46. It says net income. It will always flow into your balance sheet, which helps determine your net worth of $23,436. Okay, count your own bag, jrambus.com. Stop sharing my screen. Go to my website, sign up for a consultation, and continue to understand the knowledge and language of business by counting your own bag and having knowledge so you can have more money. So you can know where your money's going from a business standpoint. You can hire accountants, you can hire all of these people to do things for you. But do you understand what your business, where your money's going? Do you understand where your money is in your business? Why did it go to a certain place? Why are your assets higher than your liabilities and vice versa? And yeah, just getting, like I said, familiar with the terminology. So in this case, this is an extension of revenue streams and income streams, and whatever way you want to call them. That net income, right, which is income minus expenses, is going to give you a net income. That flows into the balance sheet to help determine your net worth. J. Rambus Consulting. Jessicka Rambus, okay? Count Your Own Bag YouTube channel. Go to my site, sign up for a consultation, and let's talk more about accounting being the language of business.